Every day, millions of traders sit behind screens chasing quick profits, clicking buy, sell, repeat. But here's the brutal truth. Over 90% of them lose money. Some lose their savings, some lose their confidence, and a few lose everything. So why does this keep happening? And how can you avoid becoming part of that 90%? In this episode, we'll uncover the hidden psychology, market traps, and mathematical realities that cause most traders to fail, and the few habits that separate the losers from the consistent winners. It starts with a dream, the idea that you can make money from home. No boss, no limits. You watch a few trading videos, download an app, and see charts moving up and down like a game. You think, how hard can it be? But trading isn't a game, it's a business. And the market is designed to take money from impatience and give it to discipline. Brokerages and influencers sell the image of quick profits, but they rarely show the thousands of quiet losses behind the screen. Most traders don't lose because of bad strategies. They lose because of bad emotions. The four biggest psychological traps are: 1. Greed. After a few wins, confidence turns into overtrading. You increase position sizes, believing you've figured it out. 2. Fear. When trades go red, fear takes over, and small losses turn into big ones because you hesitate to cut. 3. FOMO. Fear of missing out. You see others posting profits online and chase random setups without a plan. 4. Revenge trading. After a loss, you jump back in trying to win it back, and that's when disaster happens. Trading success isn't about being right. It's about staying rational when your brain wants panic. Let's talk numbers. Studies from the Brazilian Securities Commission and South Korean regulators track tens of thousands of retail day traders. Over 97% lost money after 1 year. Less than 1% made consistent profits after 2 years. The math works against you because of fees, spreads, and emotional mistakes. For example, if you lose 50% of your account, you need a 100% gain just to break even. That's why small, consistent losses are survivable, but big emotional ones destroy accounts. Another trap: traders obsess over win rate. You can win 80% of trades and still lose money if your losses are bigger than your wins. Professionals care about risk-to-reward ratio, not how often they're right. A good trader might lose 6 out of 10 trades, but if every win makes double what every loss costs, they stay profitable. That's why consistency beats perfection. The 90% fail because they want to win every trade. The 10% survive because they know they won't. The winners do 3 things differently. 1. Risk management. They never risk more than 1 to 2% of their capital on a single trade. They plan their exits before entries. 2. Journaling. Every trade is recorded. Wins, losses, reasons, emotions. Over time, that data becomes self-discipline. 3. Patience. They treat trading like farming. Plant seeds, manage risk, wait for harvest. They don't need daily excitement. Professional traders win not because they predict the future, but because they protect themselves when they're wrong. If you think trading is your path to freedom, remember this: freedom doesn't come from taking more trades. It comes from taking smarter ones. You can't control the market, but you can control your risk, your mindset, and your behavior. By the way, if you're interested about crypto trading or investing but still don't have a Binance account, you're basically standing outside the opportunity. Binance is one of the biggest, most trusted platforms where you can buy, trade, and earn from crypto safely. I've added the official Binance link in the description and pinned comment. Use it to register and unlock your account so when the next opportunity comes, you're ready, not late. Note, this video is not financial advice. Crypto is risky. Always invest responsibly and do your own research. This was why 90% of day traders lose money. Next, we'll explore how to retire early, the FIRE movement success story. Subscribe so you don't miss the next step in your financial freedom journey. Most traders chase excitement. The wealthy chase stability. The market rewards patience, not perfection. Learn to master your emotions, and the profits will follow.